Hello. Is this thing on? Okay, I'm joking. All right, so I'm pretty sure you read the title of this video, and this is to give you a little bit more information on rather to what a third party to use when filing for your visa application. Lawyer versus Rapid Visa. Okay, now I'm not speaking for all the lawyers, but I've seen some videos where a lot of these people have hired these lawyers and paid a substantial amount of money, and they have not filed for their petition for the visas to the USCIS. Okay. Um, See, that is, you're wasting time, but, it's God's will. So He did it for a reason, But my uh, research has found me that Rapid Visa is more uh, um, reliable, okay, compared to a lawyer. It's more feasible. Rapid Visa is more feasible compared to a lawyer, okay. Now, a lawyer can expedite a lot of things. Now, I'm going to tell you another thing. You can do that too, okay. You can do that too if you qualify, all right. Now, the money that these lawyers are paying you, you're paying these lawyers. I can do that for a fraction of cost, but I'm not going to do it because I ain't got the time and patience, and nor the equipment or software. Rapid Visa does. Okay, they will put your stuff in order according to everything. They give you every form that you need. Now they need to. I kind of find out that the government, USCIS and NBC, they tend to update their software, so Rapid Visa may be behind on one or two things, maybe. That only happened to me once with as far as the case number, because their case numbers change and it shows whether it can be USCIS might say that your petition is for a spouse visa, but it's actually for a fiance visa, something like that. I think there was just like one glitch, but that was the only problem I had with them, really. So, um, I'm gonna suggest that you go to Rapid Visa. Okay, they have two payment plans. One is just a basic plan where they'll file for you, make your form and all that stuff. And there's another one where you have to pay extra fee, and that pays for the USCIS fee. So once you send your money to Rapid Visa and you get the premium package, that's what I'm talking about, where you pay the extra money for this USCIS, they will double check it according to them. They will double check it, triple check it, and make sure everything's there and it's supposed to be there, and they will send your fee along to the USCIS. Because if you just pay for the basic service, you just paying for them to prepare your documents, in a professional looking form, and then you have to pay for the USCIS. Now, if you just get the premium package, you just make one big payment, and that's for the Rapid Visa to do their thing, and then pay for the USCIS, and it's sent straight to them. Now, that does not include the NVC fees. Okay, so I wish they could have done that too, because I did not know that until after my paperwork has went to the NVC. Now, here's part two. Um, as far as the NVC, now I think I should make two videos of this, and I think that's what I'm going to do. This one's right now just talking about how Rapid Visa versus the lawyers. If you got the money and you know a respectful lawyer, a reputable lawyer, and you got that money, go ahead and do that. That's going to cost you between about $3,000 at bare minimum. You might find somebody cheaper, like a student lawyer or something like that. You might can, but it's going to cost you about $3,000 for a reputable lawyer to file your paperwork. Okay, that's a pretty big chunk, and that's not. I don't know if that's going to include your NVC fees as well as your USCIS fees as well. I don't know that. Okay, but the money I spent so far, it's been close. Like the premium package with Rapid Visa, I think was about like $1,200 some, or give or take. I forgot. It's been over a year, as I just stated before, and I don't have any really big complaints. I do have some concerns, but I'm not going to super badmouth Rapid Visa. They did something I couldn't do, by myself. I mean, they really helped out a lot, and I would give, I will give thumbs up to Rapid Visa. Now they're not paying me for this. It would be good if they do, but they're not paying me for this. So that's just to let you know how I respect them, somewhat. Um, so I'm not gonna say somewhat. I respect them a lot. So if you can, go to Rapid Visa. If you got the money and you know a reputable lawyer, go ahead with the lawyers. Now, my next video, I'm going to talk about how you can expedite your process. Okay, because it's been over a year. I've seen people who got married later than I got married, and their spouses are already with them in the U.S. Me, I'm still waiting. Again, I got married December of 2018. Now it's May, almost June 2020. That's hard.